What is up, guys? Today we're going to talk about the latest update on the Galaxy Note 8 from T-Mobile, which is going to be the AR Emojis and the super slow motion. Kinda. Let's talk about it. Let's go. Welcome back, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing because we're always making videos on the Galaxy Note 4, Note 5, Note 8, and now the Galaxy Note 9. So I know Samsung released this update probably about last month, and many of you guys probably already got it. Some of you probably haven't got it yet. T-Mobile just basically sent it out. I got it a couple of days ago. First thing that I noticed is that on the update, T-Mobile does not mention anything about these two features. They basically just mention that you're gonna get stability improvement, you're gonna have an improvement on the performance, and you're gonna have some enhanced features. But nowhere in the updates do they mention that you're gonna get the AR emojis or you're gonna get the super slow motion feature. Let's go talk about the AR emojis. Well, AR emojis was basically released with the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy Note 9. What they are is basically you can do artificial emojis, which you can take a picture, do a video with it. Well, kinda. With the Galaxy Note 8, you're gonna be able to take a picture and edit the emoji, and later you can use it as a sticker or you can place it as a GIF image, kind of like a GIF image, or just use it across your social media account or just send it as a text message. So with the Galaxy Note 9, I'm able to use this feature, but it's a little bit more enhanced. I'm actually able to, as I mentioned, I'm able to use it to take a live video or take a live picture. Something you can do with the Galaxy Note 8 with this latest update, but you're gonna have to take the picture and then you're gonna have to edit the emoji so you can use it later. It's an inconvenience. Hopefully in the future we're gonna get the full update so it will work like the Galaxy Note 9. So once you get the update, you're basically gonna have to go to the camera and make sure you are using the selfie camera, and on the right hand side you can see the AR emojis. Once you click on it, it's gonna tell you the first time you're gonna have to install the app. The name of the app is My Emoji Maker. You're supposed to be able to find it in the Galaxy app. I was not able to find it, but I was able to install it directly from here. So once you install it, you just basically go back to the camera. Make sure you're using the front-facing camera. It will not work in the back camera. So once you're in the front-facing camera, selfie camera, you're gonna be able just to basically click on it and just click on Create My AR Emoji and just follow the prompts and you're gonna be able to use it. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Have you used it before? What do you think about it? Do you use it? I mean, I was able to use it, Create My AR Emoji, and it works okay. It's not perfect, but you know, it's an additional feature that we now have with the Galaxy Note 8. All right, this next feature that we're gonna get is the super slow motion. First of all, do not confuse it with slow motion. So if you don't have the update and you go to your camera and swipe to your right hand side, you're gonna notice all the features that you get, all the options. You're gonna see slow motion. It's not the same as super slow motion. So once you get the update, you go to your camera, you're gonna notice that there's gonna be an icon for super slow motion. If you see it, then you're good to go, you got it. Well, how good is it? Well, I was able to use it the first time. I mean, it was a little bit tricky. It does take time getting used to it. At first, I thought I basically had to press the button to start recording and drop the item or make the movement. Well, I noticed that it was basically too late. So you almost have to click the record button almost exactly as the action is happening. If not, you're gonna miss it. At first, you gotta play with it. I took a couple of samples and I noticed eventually I got it right. Basically, as you can see, as I'm dropping the control in front of the camera, I am dropping it as soon as, or at the same time as I'm pressing the record button. By doing this, I was able to capture it every single time. It looks very good, looks great. Video quality is very good. The resolution is gonna be 1280 by 720. It's still HD, it's just not gonna be super HD. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that if you wanna use this feature, you have to make sure you have enough light. You have to be in a very bright environment. Even in the app itself, it recommends that you are outside or you're using natural bright light so you get the best video quality. In the studio, I'm using just the artificial lights, but I do have probably about 4 lights around it and it is very bright and you can see the quality is very good. Now, I compare it to the Galaxy Note 9 and it's a little bit different. It's not exactly the same. With the Galaxy Note 9, it looks very close to the Galaxy Note 8. Note 8 did very good job every time, no issues. With the Galaxy Note 9, you got this extra feature that basically once you press the record button, it's gonna allow you to just kind of wait for the action to happen. When that action happens in between that yellow square, that's when it's gonna start capturing the super slow motion. It's more user-friendly, it's easier to use, especially when you wanna take that one-time shot where you do not get a second chance, you will miss it. It's easier to use the Galaxy Note 9, but with the Galaxy Note 8, again, once you start getting used to it, you're gonna be able to do it. Comparing it side by side with both of them, I think the Galaxy Note 9, it just looks a little bit sharper, but other than that, both of them look very good. One last thing to keep in mind with the Galaxy Note 8, once you record your super slow motion video, go to your clip, top right hand side, go to the details, and then you're gonna see an option on the bottom where it's gonna allow you to select some of the predefined settings. You're gonna be able to do a loop a reverse or a swing on the clip. And if you press on it, it's gonna do it live. It's gonna show you an example, like for example, the reverse. I think that's very cool, very neat. If you just wanna save it and share it across your social media, it is very easy to do. You can just press it on the top right hand side and it will save the clip. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Consider subscribing. We're always making videos on the Galaxy Note phones. Thank you for watching. Make sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.
Turn up, let's go.